What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here, jumping in to do a little update on Netflix earnings. We talked about Netflix yesterday. We talked about what we would be looking for. So quickly, I decided to hop on, and we're just going to talk about the earnings. How were they? Where I see this thing going in the next couple of days, and did it really hit the mark that we were looking for yesterday? So hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out our free Discord. The link is in the description. It's a great group to be a part of, guys. All of our traders over there, we have 835 members. We've only had it open for the past 2 weeks. I do post some of my free trades over there. As well, you get access to a tons of courses that we have, options bots, and I live stream there once a week. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm trading or what I'm investing in, I also put all my long-term investments over there completely for free. So let's talk about Netflix. So Netflix posts solid beats on earnings and new subscribers. Remember, new subscribers is what we were really looking for. So let's see here. Shares were up slightly after the bell on Tuesday after the company posted the third quarter results. Earnings per share were $3.19 versus $2.56. So they beat on the top line. That's very good. Revenue $7.48 billion versus the $7.48 billion. So they basically hit bottom line. Global paid net additions. This is a very important number. This was 4.4 million versus 3.84 million. So that is a very good number. So beat on EPS, that's very good. Revenue was basically what was expected, nothing crazy, and then 4.4 million in global paid net subscribers. That's really good. Now, I haven't actually looked into what they're doing for guidance, but this is going to be something that's important to watch. The earnings call is about to start right now. So the quarter subscriber growth of 4.4 million was a solid beat over the expected 3.84 million. Analysts had expected users to flock to the streamer as it began to roll out a new slew of content that was delayed to the back half of the year due to the Rona. So not only that, but they also tend to really load content towards the back half of the year, not even just on Netflix, but in general when media is considered. Usually the back half of the year is very, very good for content because more people are inside the house spending time watching TV. The company said it expects to add 8.5 million in the fourth quarter. It's really good guidance. Netflix adds to have more normal release schedule over the course of 2020, bearing any COVID-related delays. Netflix also announced it will be using new metrics for reporting its viewership. The company will start reporting hours viewed rather than the number of accounts that watched. For example, the company's current top film, Extraction, with 99 million accounts, have watched in the last 2 minutes. At least watched 2 minutes of the title in the first 28 days on Netflix. Future reporting will put Bird Box as the top film with 282 million total hours viewed in the first 28 days. That's really important, and I can definitely tell why they would do that. It's because obviously 4 to 5, maybe 6 people could actually have the same account. Like I was saying in the video yesterday, if you're somebody who, doesn't have a Netflix account, you might know somebody who has a Netflix account. So somebody could watch that movie 2, 3, 4 times on the same Netflix account, and Netflix knows this. So that's very good for showing metrics as far as growth is considered. Netflix will also release title metrics more regularly outside of its earnings report, it added. Company also gave a nod to the top show of the quarter, Squid Game. Netflix said that South Korea dystopian series has become its biggest TV show ever. The company said 142 million members household globally have watched the show in its first 4 weeks. I've never seen it. Now I'm going to have to. Company also pointed to the cultural relevance of the show. Like some of our big hits, Squid Game has also pierced the cultural zeitgeist, spawning a Saturday Night Live skit and memes clip on TikTok with more than 42 billion views. The company said demand for consumer products related to the show is high. Netflix also updated investors to push into gaming. The company said it's begun testing in select countries, and it remains its very early days for this initiative. Games will be a part of Netflix subscription with no included advertisements or app purchases. Netflix wants to grab more users' attention competing against activities like TikTok, playing Fortnite, or reading. It shared some insight into that dynamic, saying that when Facebook experienced a global outage early in this month, Netflix saw engagement raised by 14%. Okay, so overall, pretty damn good numbers, to be quite honest. I think that overall the reason we have not seen this move too much after hours, like we're actually down about 2 points, but I think the reason we're not seeing this move too crazily after hours is, number one, guidance was great, but they're switching up some of the metrics that they end up using as far as analysts are considered, which I think is a good thing, but to some people and some analysts that might not be a good thing. But the other thing too is the fact that we are at all-time highs. It's not like they blew us away with like 7 million subscribers or anything crazy like that. pretty much what I had expected. And also on the bottom line, they didn't smash it. But overall, what I expected. If you're an investor in this, great job. I would be very happy if I was a shareholder at Netflix right now, even though I feel like the valuation is a little rich. I feel like they're heading in the right direction. I feel like everything's working out great. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to be releasing a Tesla video. I might actually release that before this. So a Tesla earnings outlook. If you haven't already, go and watch that video, guys. Thanks for all the support. I'll see you next time. Peace.